here. He's going to dance with me right now. Let's go. On this banger right here, man. So guys, welcome back to Tibo's vlog. It's another beautiful day here in Norway. Today it's pretty gray, rainy, cold, actually pretty shitty weather. But again, I'm smiling. I don't fucking care. And the only thing I care about is money, hustling, and do whatever the fuck I want in life. So I can't let the weather affect my mood and my state of mind and how I'm going to work. So right now it's 9 a.m. and I'm going to the store to buy me some breakfast and some lunch, so I don't have to go to the store again. That would just be stupid. And today I'm going to not go to the studio. I have, as you guys know, other businesses that are actually making me money, so I have to prioritize my time to get even more money on my back. But right now I'm so pumped about the P.Daddy Promotions, because I'm so shocked every time I go to the studio and visit these guys. They're so fucking talented, and they just walked into my hands. The CEO in P.Daddy are my girlfriend's nephew, little brother. They feel like sisters and brothers because they have grown up together, always been together. Their brothers and sisters are much older than them, but they are kind of similar age, so they have been stuck together in family visits and overall into the growing up. So I met him and he was sick, and then he just introduced me to more and more people that are crazy talented in rapping and singing in pop. I'm not talking about average, like everybody can rap like me. You see me rap, everybody can rap some shit, but you know, they're actually good at it. So that pumps me up a lot. And the aim is, the most vlog is going to take that, but he is going to set up a tour in summer with these guys in Norway, and that will be the first and last tour we're probably going to have in Norway with these guys. We're probably going to come inside, maybe perform in Kadetten or Stavern or a big festival once, but not a tournée in Norway. So when you guys listen to these guys drop the music, you should go to the concert, because that will probably be the only opportunity you got to get close up to these guys, get to meet them, get the pictures with them, get to talk to them, because I can 100% guarantee you guys, these guys are going to be A-list celebrities in the United States within 2 years. There's no cap. So today we're going to just take you guys a little bit more into the deep dive into the business side of things. How do you make a business or a label make money? What are my plan as a owner of a new label? Because as you guys know, I'm a part of a gang called 10X Nation. It's the gang to Uncle Fucky G, Grant Cardone, the one and only sales coach in the world. And I joined the 10X movement for 1 year ago maybe, and it's basically to 10X everything you do. Never procrastinate, and always take a zero behind everything you do. What I mean by that is 10X in everything you think, the work you thought was going to be enough to achieve your goal, you have to 10x it to actually achieve it. That's the 10x Nation motto. So again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys later. So now I'm just sitting here and got a notice from my supplier that we got some new Gucci stuff for women. So I'm actually just sitting here right now, putting it on the website, and I think it's a pretty cool wallet for women. That's Gucci. So this is how it looks inside. So that's basically now just have to change the prices a little bit, and then put some good description on it right here. Change the name. This is just the code for this product. And then I just have to hit the save button, and then you Gucci. So then you just find products like this, and I get notified from my supplier probably like sometimes more than once a day that they have some new products coming in, and then I just review the products and which one I want to put on DUI. But I'm looking forward to get some Moncler very soon to come on the website and hit the warehouses in Italy. But the coronavirus is in Italy right now, so. But that don't have affected this shipping and how to ship out the products, fortunately, because I don't know. I think it's a little bit overrated, but now, of course, Italy have closed down the whole country just recently, so I have to see how this is going to affect the brand and the whole warehouse and everything. But I think it's going to be okay. But basically, this is a time-consuming tasks. Just sit there, sort through thousands and thousands of products the suppliers have for me. So, and then figure out which I'm going to actually get into the store and push out to you guys. So it's a time-consuming job, but definitely something that is worth it, because when you have an e-commerce store, you can actually sort of make money on AutoPilot. Of course, it's not like a scheme and just making money on AutoPilot. You of course have to scale, and you have to work and test in different type of ads and different type of videos and you know, different type of marketing strategies. In this video, the tip is going to be that I have learned from my experiences that interruption marketing is of course a good thing to do, and it is working. But when you have interruption marketing, I mean, like when you are scrolling on your Instagram or your Facebook feed and you suddenly get an ad or a picture up that says it's sponsored, it's an ad, that is interruption marketing, because you just got interrupted in the things you were doing on your Instagram. So that is interruption marketing. And then you have search-based marketing. Search-based marketing can be very profitable if you can scale it and optimize it the right way. What I mean about of search-driven marketing, it's Google in search engines. Because when you are on Google, you are basically, I have talked about this in other videos, you are basically the answer of the question the customers have. And as Marcus Raiden said, they ask, you answer. And that is a very simple concept, but yet so many people just overlook it and don't pay attention to it. But that's why when you probably in a new city, you need a new rental car or whatever, a hotel, or you probably go to Google and search for a rental car, or you search for a, I don't know, search for a hotel, but you most definitely going to Google and trying to find your answer. You probably not thinking that is an ad. That is someone that had paid attention to be the answer of your question, and basically they're making money that way, because you probably picked one car dealer or a hotel and you actually went there and used your money. So that is my tip to you guys. That is my tip for you today, guys, is to try search-based marketing. Maybe before you try interruption marketing. You have to be very very good at marketing in these days in 2020 to actually get the attention to the audience when you are on an interruption marketing platform. And most of the platforms are interruption marketing actually, basically. So you have to be very good at marketing, know what you're doing. If not, you're going to waste a lot of money on Facebook ads and Instagram ads. So in tomorrow's video, I think I'm going to deep dive in how you can cross market. Cross marketing is how you can use then search-based marketing in a Google search engine, drive out some shopping ads and search ads, drop out some shopping ads and search ads, like no pictures, you know, a searching ad, and then you're going to get a lot of traffic, and not everybody is going to buy from you, but they're going to get familiar with your brand. They have probably they have like said hello to you, they have visited your site, some have maybe clicked a product, clicked few more products, looked at your whole page, looked at the contact page, the FAQs. Somebody may even have put some products in the cart, and of course people are going to buy. So say when you have used a lot of money on search-based marketing and you of course are profitable, you're going to have a huge audience that have like said hello to your brand. And that is what I'm going to deep dive in tomorrow, to learn you guys how you can then use that audience, that data, to on an interruption marketing platform as Instagram and Facebook. So you can remarket back with the same products they have watched when they were searching for, say, shoes, and your ad popped up in Google and they clicked that ad and they was already looking for shoes because they didn't get interrupted on Facebook. So they was just on Google and searching for shoes. They clicked your shoe but they didn't buy for any reason. But then you pop up at the interruption platform, as I said, as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, whatever. Then you're not interrupting them as much as you would if you just go for cold traffic on a Facebook ad or Instagram ad, interruption marketing platform, because they have already searched for your product, they already wanted a shoe, and they don't feel that you are like just, do you want a shoe? Do you want the apple? Do you want the cap? Do you want the? You don't know what they want. So that is how in 2020 you can maximum your return on investment on interruption platforms. So be sure to tune in tomorrow to get to know and learn how to actually maximize your marketing budget with cross marketing, basically. So thank you guys for listening to that also, and I'm just going to deep dive in and sort out all the good. This is also a fun thing to do because you get very motivated when you find a banger. When I say banger, that is a product that is going to sell very very good in the market, and you can just scale your ads through the roof, and that is why I'm mentioning making money on AutoPilot. If you are mastering the things I just talked about, cross marketing, retargeting, search based marketing, interrupted marketing, you probably basically know what the fuck you're doing when it comes to marketing. You can set up the ads, you can make the ads ready, and then you can take a 3 days vacation because the ads are just running. Not that I'm going to do it, but basically you can do it in the theory. And then you come back from a vacation and you can make like 100k in 3 days by just being on vacation, because the ads are using money and you're using your money to work for you. You just get your card on the ads, and then Facebook just charge you, and then just keep running, and just build momentum, get likes, get social proof by likes, sharings, comments, and then just basically make you more and more money as it grows in engagement on the web. So I'm going to take you guys on a journey there, and so I can show you no believers how you can make like say 100k in a month starting a new brand new store. This is a brand new store, so nobody have seen this brand before or anything, but I'm going for $100k in April on this website. So I'm going to show you guys if I make it, maybe, but I'm aiming high. So if I miss the target, I'm probably going to be satisfied as well. Instead of going for $10k, and then missing the target, that would be a very bad thing. But if I aim for 100k and I hit 80k, shit, man, I'm going to be very, very satisfied. So that is my mentality, 10x Nation. So see you guys later when we are a little bit later in the day, because right now it's actually just midday. Guys, it's been a long day and a lot of things to do, and when you keep the momentum up, you really need to actually sleep the hours you're going to sleep and get really good rest and get the food and the nutrition you need to blow up the next day. So that was the vlog for today. And just to wrap up the vlog, I'm going to talk a little bit more about how I'm going to attack the market with the label, as I said in the start of the video. And as I just mentioned, I'm part of a gang called 10x Nation. It's Grand Cadone's sales motto, gang, movement, whatever. But I live by the rules of 10x. My plan for 2020 for P.Daddy in this summer, the next couple months, is to get as many gigs as I can in Bergen Centrum, in Bergen, and try to get like 20 gigs in 3 weeks that are totally free for the audience to come watch, and then drop the album, and then get a rent a big venue, and then like sell like from 500 to 1,000 tickets is my goal in the midsummer, as a very, very nice concert. So that is my plan, to 10x everything. People that are just starting would probably be very glad if they got 2 gigs in the whole summer. We are going for 20 gigs in 2 to 4 to 5 weeks, as fast as we can, and then going to pop up with the first paid gig where everybody is going to want to come to vibe with P.Daddy. So that is the plan there, to 10x that one, and I'm looking very much forward to take you guys on that journey as well, and show you guys how I execute on my words, that I'm actually doing what I'm saying and actually doing and living by the 10x. And as always, guys, find your hustle, make your money, and do whatever the fuck you want to do in life. Peace.